Good day everyone. So today I'm going to present my training plan. So this is my training plan under the qualification of fish products packaging in situ. So first we have here example for respondent 1. So I didn't put their names here because some of the respondents didn't indicate their names because it is only optional and it's part of their privacy. So then I put my name here as their trainer. So we have nominal duration. We have three competencies. First, basic competencies, 1.64 hours. Common competencies, 0.56 hours. And core competencies is 13.33 hours. So for trainees training requirements, for basic competencies, we have here participate in workplace communication, and under the unit of competencies, we have participate in workplace communication. So under the trainees training requirements, we have complete relevant work-related documents. So we need to apply it into an activity. So first we have here complete employment-related forms are accurately and legibly, ensuring all required details are provided. Record workplace data on standard forms and documents following organizational procedures. Next is perform routine calculations using basic mathematical processes to support work tasks. Check for and correct errors in recorded information on forms and documents. Next is submit reports to the supervisor in line with organizational reporting requirements and guidelines. So next is we have here mode of training. So for mode of training, we have here classroom or instructor lead training, which is explaining environmental regulations, workplace policies, hazard types, waste handling procedures, and reporting formats. So for hands-on practical training, we have trainees practice inspecting, sanitizing, checking settings, and completing documents under supervision. So here I come up with overall training activity, which is the on-the-job training or OJT for actual training. And for staff, we have here Miss Julina Fajardo, which is the supervisor or team leader. So for facilities, tools, and equipment, we have face-to-face for communication, telephone and electronic and two-way radio for classroom interactions, and also written documents including electronic memos, instruction, and forms, nonverbal communication including gesture, signals, signs, and diagrams. So for the venue, we have here manufacturing facility or retail store or supermarket. So this is for them to perform their actual activities, and for assessment method, we have here direct observation and oral interview and written test. So for the trainees, to test if they already learned and if they gained knowledge about the activities or tasks they perform, and we can assess it based on these two, the direct observations and through oral interviews and written test. So for the date and time, I just put here in October 2025 from 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. So this is the total of 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I come up with this time because of this nominal duration, which is the basic competences of 1.64 hours. It is equivalent to 1 hour and 30 minutes. So that's all my presentation. So thank you everyone for listening. So this is just the example of my training plan for respondent 2 we have here. So that's all po. Thank you.